Welcome, and in this particular episode I want to show you how to make a simple sales transaction. As you can see on the system, we don't have any sale that is made in the system right now. So if I come to my inventory and I see my items, I can see this the list of all the products that I'm selling. So an example, I can use these two first products here. I have the 4 casings SW, I have 50 in stock. I have the General Milking 750 ml, I have 50 in stock. So I want to sell these two items and I want to see what happens to my stock. So if you want to make a sale, you just navigate to the left hand side panel, then you choose on sales. Once you choose on sales, then you can come here and type the name of the product. So like now I have this one that I want to sell, so I just click on it, then I can choose. Automatically the system is going to trigger me how many pieces do I want to sell. Maybe I can say 2, then I can press enter. So the system tells me I have 50 in stock and I'm selling 2 of them, and it's also doing the calculation for me at 1220 times 2, that is 2440. You can see on this side. On the then I can choose the other one, the General Makings. I can choose this one. I can choose, okay, let me choose this one, and this one I'm just setting one of them. So you can type in as many items here as you wish. So you can have a list of 5, 10, 20, 30 items. Then on this other side I can enter the name of the customer, which is not a must. Then on this other side I'm able to see now the totals that for that said transaction. I have the various payment methods that are available here. You can choose either the customer is paying in cash or is paying in store account is for credit transactions. If the customer is not paying you and you want to create them an account in the system so that you can track how much they owe, you use the store account. Then the M-Pesa is when they pay through either PayBill or through the normal till. Then we have this confirm M-Pesa message. This one basically is used to manage or to auto confirm the payment that come through the till or the PayBill. I'll be showing you in an advanced video on how we use this M-Pesa integration. For now, I'll choose cash. Then after this, I just click on complete the transaction. Once I click on complete, then the system will now create a preview of the receipt. Either you have an A4 printer or you have the 8mm, the small one, like the ones that you see on the supermarket. Then you just click on print. Once you click on the print, the transaction is done. If I come back to my inventories here, you can now see these ones I sold 2, so I'm remaining with 48. This one I sold 1, now I'm remaining with 49. And even if I want to see, so as long as I'm selling, it keeps on deducting from your stocks. And if I can click on this, and as an admin, if I go down here, the same has started creating me a history of that particular product. I started with 50, I've sold 2, now they are 48. I'll be showing you another video when we purchase what happens. So basically that's how you perform a basic sale transaction. And if I come back here to sales, I can see now I have one particular sale. Again, this is recorded in my reports. I'll be showing you another video how to check the report and see what has been sold. That's a basic sale transaction. I'll be showing an advanced one. Thank you so much for watching and consider subscribing to our channel.